Right, so problem already.
Yeah. Open the car a sec. I think I've left my video camera at that farm. Yeah, it's not here.
Oh my god.
And my light. Yeah. Let's check my bag again. Fuck's sake, no. I have. And I know where I left it too. Shit. That's gone.
What, the farm?
Yeah. Is that a farm?
Yeah.
I've left my bloody video stuff there.
For God's sake.
My big massive light as well.
Well, we're in the daytime at the moment.
On the way back, we have to go back.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's like 500 foot to it.
It's full of shit.
I know, but it might be full of something to get that money.
An old, some sort of push bike.
Oh wow. This is actually cool.
It'd be better if we could get into the actual house, wouldn't it? This is just fucking... This has been like this a long time. Everything's just covered in shit. What is that thing? What? Something fluid. Translucent blue. It's weird, isn't it? Yeah. Oh god. Yeah, it's been like this a long time. All the boxes are full of stuff.
Oh, maybe let's get into the house. Push it out in the corner.
What are these stickers they've got on them anyway? Look.
I've seen them at my house.
Well, they stickers?
Yeah, there was some in the house.
Oh, is there? Because if you look, it says September 11th, 1999. Oh, the different 10th. Oh, 94. Looks like they've entered little bike races. Like they're all the same stickers, but they've got different years on them. That says 1994 on that one. One says 1999. It's weird. It's a little gem, this one that I found, isn't it? But again, there's another one here. Little stickers on it. 1995 sticker on that one. Do you think all these sticks?
Yeah.
I know it's unbelievable, but do you think it's from birds bringing them in?
Maybe, yeah. That's what it was.
Yeah, but look how many there is. That pile is like waist height. Ridiculous. They've all got these weird little locks just in there.
Any of the windows open there?
No. Unless we can let that board loose on that other little window there. This one's going to be... Oh, this board's actually loose on this. Ah!
So that's how people get in.
That's it. Secret little way in.
Excellent.
I don't want to pull it too hard. Right, I'll stop recording. Let's try and squeeze through. Let's fucking squeeze. Right, so... This is quite a... Yeah, what a sly little way in. Just move the board and... Oh yeah, no one's been here for a long time. Look at the windows.
Where's me coffee?
I love these. Well, these are one of the best ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where are you going now?
Take pictures. Oh, sorry.
Head through this way first. Oh, so it was an elderly person. Look at all these little things, everything just... Oh, God. Bit of a squeeze. Oh, God. Stuff out the door. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's all gone mouldy, look at that. Need to start bringing masks out with me again. God, this is ace. Proper farmhouse with everything still here. This farmhouse is big. Go straight through to the kitchen, and then you could go through that way as well.
Oh my god.
Hey, it's got this one, isn't it? Oh, PC. Couple of pianos. Oh. Just walk careful with the addresses. Oh no, that ain't the address. It's a Surrey on there. I'm not in Surrey. Oh, that's electric, isn't it? Yeah. I think it was an old person's house, but they had kids living here. Or stopping here at least. Oh, crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Good, isn't
All
it?
the glasses on the...
I know.
All the glasses on the stand there. Anything on the table still. Oh, why did I have to leave my good camera somewhere? God. What's in the...
Hey, to be fair, it's all... It stinks. It's all in jars.
Close that, please.
It's all in jars. Alex is trashing the place. Bloody no. All this. Or cotton, someone's been sewing or something. Mr. Jelly. I know the power is on, but it says fail on there. I don't know if they haven't been paying the electric one. Yeah, it's cool. All memories, look. Baby just been born. It's still got all the afterbirth on its head. Afterbirth, I was going to call my other channel Afterbirth. I've decided as well, people, Oh God, look at the door. Even the door's covered in mould. I've decided as well, I was going to have a second channel for my like little bits and bobs. I'm just going to put it all on the same channel. So much easier. This is pretty cool. Bing Collections 2014 it says on there, but that crisp packet said 19, so I think this has been empty longer than, as you can tell, look at it, it's all, they've just left everything. It's been empty longer than a year, but maybe someone has come in here for whatever reason since, I don't know why.
Oh wow, guys, this is amazing. Such a good find.
What do you say? Who gets the best finds?
Ste G! You see the 2 pianos in here, man?
I know.
Going upstairs?
Yeah, have a look. Bloody hell, it's big. Check this out. Oh yeah. Bloody hell, yeah. Bed's in here. Bloody hell, the clothes are still in here. What? Look at that. Cupboard full. Literally, that's quite deep set back, that cupboard, just full of clothes.
Oh my god.
I know. It's like they've just upped and left and just left everything here. Complete and utter madness.
Which Dyson, man? Which Dyson's this?
That's a DC. They're not very common. That's an O2. That's what the second one made.
That's one of them bird scaries. Hey, Brick Nokia.
Brick Nokia. Oh yeah.
They lied. They say they always have battery life. This one doesn't.
No.
Look at the size of the door.
Look at the hole in the roof. Just right. Do you reckon that's a mouse that's made that?
Maybe.
Crawl through.
Something like that, yeah. Ties and stuff like
Those little cuff links there.
yes.
What?
She gets the best places.
I don't. Pennies on here. When are these from? 2010 pennies. I know it's not a good indication, but I do look. If it's like a 2020 penny, then I know someone's been in here. 2020, obviously. A little study. Yeah, someone has been in here because everything's all over. Yeah, I don't know. I thought it might have been an old person's house because it was a Zimmer frame, but there's a lot of children's stuff as well. God, there's so much to look at. Loads of little bits in here. Oh. Yeah. Bloody hell, look at this room. All the roof's collapsed in here.
Really?
Yeah. It's weird. You go from some rooms, a little bit damp on the wall, good condition, but here it's just gone. Yeah. Floorboards look like they've gone in the corner there. Oh, this would have been the kiddies' room, I'm assuming. Oh, God. Watch the floorboards in the second room as well. Yeah. What a shame. Someone should be able to save this house. I hope someone does come along and just fix it all up. It's what a shame, this one. Nice area as well. Oh. Rebecca. Again, just full, just absolutely chocker full of stuff, boxes. I'm not going to try and squeeze through it all. But yeah, look at the roof again, just all. Yeah, not good. And a little bathroom.
Oh my God.
What?
This room.
Have you got athlete's foot, Alex?
No.
Oh, I was going to say that some athlete's foot spray here. That's okay. It's pretty mud. Oh God, don't trip over. Again, like I said, no one's done this.
No one's done this.
No, obviously someone's been in here, maybe trashed it a little bit, unless it's, I don't know. But yeah.
Oh, I found a new Urbex camera.
Oh God, here we go again.
It takes film.
What was it?
Some Canon thing. It takes film. It's really odd.
Right, I'm gonna get out of here, I think. Oh yeah, there's a lot of subsidence as well to this place. Yes, you can see all the cracks here as well. I won't be surprised if you see a bit of day. Yes, you can see daylight. Hang on, just get the camera in the right place. Can you see there? I can feel air through there. There's daylight through there. That's quite possibly why they've just left this, because it's subsiding.
I'll finish documenting it yet now.
Yeah, okay. So yeah. Oh, what a nice house. Middle of nowhere as well, countryside. Just crazy to think why they haven't come back and got the clothes. If that was the reason, the subsidence, why haven't they come back and got all the clothes? There must be hundreds. All the men's clothes here, look. Hundreds. Marks and Spencer's. Not the cheapest, are they? Charles Hewitt, whoever that is. Not my type of thing, but they must have spent a lot of money on them clothes in there alone. Yeah. Mental. Bloody mental. Right. Oh God, don't stand on things, don't stand on things. I think that is it. I'm pulling tin foil off there now. Oh. Oh. Right, I'll finish off there then. Proper nice farmhouse for this one. I nearly gave up on this one, finding a way in, but we tried every window and then we just finally noticed a little bit bored. Really nice farmhouse, middle of nowhere, so doubt anyone's going to figure out where this one is. Thanks for watching anyway, and on to the next one. I keep looking at the screen but I don't look at the camera. Thanks for watching, bye.